Hello everybody, this is Dave Danica from Home Smart Realty Group, and I am joined today with Ben from Ben the Greatest, as seen on YouTube. Please like and subscribe his channel. And Ben, what are we doing today?
We're going to show you how to clean out an air conditioner to get ready for spring.
All right, cool, let's do it. Okay, here we are outside, and what are we doing, Ben?
So first we need to take this protective mesh thing off.
Yep, the mesh thing, take that off, yep.
Yep, which we're gonna need to unscrew these little
Didgeridoos, yep.
Yeah.
Take those off, yep,
and
yep.
we'll put them aside for later.
Alright, so this is what we're looking at. We got a bunch of leaves. See if we can make that a little better. Leaves and debris in there. That's not such a big deal, but we're gonna try and get that stuff out. But then also, Ben, we're gonna clean these fins out, right?
Yep.
Alright. So let's, we're gonna use a blower.
The next step is that you need to put the hose right like around here on the inside, and then you need to do a gentle steam to get all the gunk out.
You're basically spraying in there, inside out.
Yep.
There you go. Get all that stuff out of there.
See? Just like that. Your air conditioner will be more efficient and it'll be ready for the summer.
Boom.
Now that you're done, put it back together. And make sure to screw it on tight. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. See you next time.